Hey you, and welcome to today's video. My name is Brittany for those of you who are new. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a grocery haul. I think it's very helpful for us to see what's working for other families, and then also a simple recipe cleaning the kitchen as well. So if you're ready for some cleaning motivation and more, then just keep on watching. Ever since I've started shopping Costco through Instacart, I really don't have to buy a full produce or meat grocery haul as often, which is really nice. So this grocery haul, I actually picked up some crayons and colored pencils for my son to start coloring instead of using mommy's color pencils and everything. And then I got me this pack of color pencils. I have like 100 color pencils, but I was out of black, and so I picked up just the smallest size of color pencils I could get, which includes black. And then I also picked up more corn dogs for him. Also picked up some Miralax. I have to keep this on hand for him. For those of you who have babies who are having trouble with constipation and nothing, even natural things seem to not work, Miralax is what our PD Gastro recommended, and this works wonders. I just put about a capful or half a capful in whatever he's drinking, and within the hour he's passed whatever he has with ease. So really recommend this stuff. Walmart gave me some of this Berea pasta ready elbows. I guess this is new and they're just trying to get people to try it. It's already cooked, and all you have to do is steam this and it's ready in 60 seconds. I'm not sure if you put the whole back. Need the pouch to separate the pasta, and then you tear it to vent prior to cooking, and you microwave it for 60 seconds and it comes out ready. So I might try that. I actually do like Berea pasta. I buy it in the box normally. And then I got some water. I keep this stuff because, especially since it is hurricane season, but just in general we need a lot of water. But I buy the small. I like to drink carbonated water, so when I do get a regular bottle of water, I only drink about half of it anyway, so it's best for me to get the smaller bottles. So I got 3 of those, and then a big pack just to add on to the packs that we already have, just to keep water in stock. Some light bulbs, garlic and herb cream cheese. I love this on bagels in the oven. Some paper bowls. I got my dog some dewormer, a backup battery. Again, hurricane season, so it's just good to have battery backups. Then also picked up some of the pumpkin spice thing Glade candles. These were recommended by Love Meg, special edition for fall. So I got 2 small ones. I also picked up some bacon, some raisins for my son's oatmeal in the morning. I got some yellow rice by Mahatma. I love this yellow rice. I love their saffron rice. It's really good. So I got 2 packs of those. And then I also got some pumpkin puree because I've been hearing so many good recipes for fall. So I figured I might try something with it here pretty soon. Also picked up some more Simply lemonade. You guys know my love affair with Simply. I got the raspberry and the regular, and then a limeade. I also got the blueberry as well, but of course I've already torn into that one, so it's in the refrigerator. I just picked up stuff that I like to have on hand. Another thing that Walmart gave me for free through pickup, this Master Prime facial primer. If you don't know, I love makeup, so this is pretty cool to try this to see how good it is. So I was pretty excited about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this put away. So I just finished cutting up some vegetables, and I'm going to saute them, and then I'm going to throw in some meat. Get some of that in there. I can hide what this is. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. We go ahead and season them up. I love cooking with peppers and onions. Like, look at all of these colors. So pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and saute them for some beef tacos. And this is really the good makings of a good stir fry as well, if you want to do that instead. Just add rice instead of flour tortillas and cheese. Add a little bit more seasoning to the meat. So once I finished the stir fry, I took out the big chunks of meat because this was beef chuck. Cut it up really finely and put it back in the pot, mix it all together so I can go ahead and start making the tacos. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If I had some salsa or something, I would stick that on here, but I'm out of salsa. So this is going to be dinner. I'll be your light. I'm gonna start tidying up the kitchen. I'm not gonna do anything too major. I'm just gonna put away all the dishes and anything that's just sitting out or doesn't need to be in the kitchen. I'm gonna get all of that put away, and then we're gonna clean the sink and the countertop. But again, for those of you who are new, my name is Brittany. I'm a homebody and a mother of a 2-year-old boy, and this channel is all about homemaking, motherhood, lifestyle. So if you're interested in that sort of content, hit the red subscribe button below. Of course, it's free 99 to subscribe, sis. So go ahead and join the Britty fam and come back for more videos for encouragement, inspiration, and motivation for single moms like me. So if you want helpful and useful homemaking tips, join in because I would love to have you.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed, take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found some helpful tips. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Again, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mwah.
Listen